Job loss due to the pandemic is historically high, with June reports from the U.S. Labor Department showing U.S. employers shedding nearly 30 million positions.
I had lost my job that I had for 23 years, and our car lease was running up. So we were like, this is going to be really tricky.
Mike Kirkpatrick did not lose his job from the pandemic, but challenging times are not foreign to anyone in 2020.
Yeah, it really was scary because I had just retired, and then, Mike came home and it's like, I don't have a job anymore.
But the great experience is that Huffines Kia in Corinth stuck with the Kirkpatrick family, and the dealership was able to help them get a car.
My dad used to tell me, he goes, son, you need to always have a lawyer, a mechanic, a doctor, and I would add to that a car dealership that you can trust.
It's very rewarding when you're able to help somebody, especially when they, a lot of times I think, don't think it's possible.
COVID-19 has thrown a wrench in people's lives, but it goes to show when you have good people in your corner, good things can happen.
It means a lot to them, and that means a lot to us to be able to help people like that.
For Real News, I'm Cash Payne.